Hi, so in today's video I'm going to try out MetaTrader the web version for the first time. Like never really tried to try using MetaTrader on the web version. Yeah, because I find it better to use the one you actually have to download like on your phone or laptop. So let us try it out. So what I'm going to do is into the demo account, okay, and I am simply going to scroll down, okay, and I'm simply going to click on trade on the web terminal. So I'm going to click there, and okay, so now I'm requested to enter the password, so let me just do that. Okay, so I've finally successfully logged in into the web MetaTrader web version. So for this one, like, you don't need to download anything. It's actually working in Chrome. So as you can see, this is actually on trade.mql5.com, servers, the ref demo, and the login ID and so on. It's working in the Chrome browser. So let me enter into full screen again. But otherwise, it looks just the same as the one you actually have to install. So if you're not using MetaTrader 4 or 5, then you won't find any difficulties using this web version. Okay, so yeah, so what are some of the things we can do? I think it's the same stuff, guys. For example, let me try to drag this pair to the chart and see if it will work. Yeah, it is working. So let us say we'd like to enter a new, let me try the right clicking. Okay, so right clicking is working. Let me try to change the chart type, and let us say green on black, and no, yellow on black, no, black on white. Okay, I'm trying to modify these. Okay, so it looks like I can't modify the colors of this, so it has got some limitations. So like I have to choose the colors you are given, which is green on black, yellow on black, or black on white. So black on white seems better than yellow on black. Okay, but otherwise I prefer using the green and red candlestick colors. So there's got some limitations which I'm yet to find out, but otherwise, like, if you really need just to enter some quick trades and so on, it's actually nice because you don't need to install anything, and it runs in the browser in case you're scared of installing stuff, because sometimes installing the metadata takes time, like downloading stuff. So yeah, I know about this. Okay, let me check out the options. So on the options as well, there are less stuff, like you can't configure notifications. Okay, and I don't think it's possible to use custom indicators. Yeah, it's not possible. So those again are limitations. But as again, if you do analyze, like do your technical analysis on TradingView, well, then you can simply use this web version, because you can be doing all the analysis on TradingView. Once you are done with that, we want to enter a trade, simply do a trade over here, and it will be working. Simply click here, okay, choose the pair or the index, choose the type of trade, enter it, and enter all these details and place. Okay, so otherwise, this is it about this video. It is about trying out the web version of MetaTrader. So unfortunately, it has got some limitations, but otherwise it's really okay, because like it can save you time and everything else. So if you learned something from this video, give it a like. For more videos like this, go on and subscribe. Bye for now.